Good morning, investigators. Today's question is, what will happen to a Vaseline in the freezer after 72 hours? Let's gather the evidence. Before I show you the frozen Vaseline, this is how Vaseline looks in its raw state. Very spreadable, smooth, and easy to apply. This is actually a raw Vaseline and scented one, straight from the factory. Oops. But after putting it in the fridge for 72 hours, it turned like this. Like it is melting very fast, maybe very fast than I expected because it is not solid. Let me apply. It melts really fast. It melts really fast. Then after a very short period, you will not feel the coldness again, unlike the regular Vaseline. Vaseline and the frozen Vaseline. I'll be right back. I want to see how long it stays before it fully turns to like this texture. So
Later. Can also one
yeah, is it the same?
C'est la même chose.
Yeah, it has all melted, but I still feel like this one is a bit softer, or it has gone back to its original state. But this one is still like a bit thicker than this one. Look. Even this one is more or less like more translucent than this one. Have you seen that? This one is. Why didn't the Vaseline harden? Investigators, come with me. Let's research as to why the Vaseline didn't get very cold and it didn't harden up like I had thought. Based on what I've observed, my current theory, the freezer freezes the Vaseline, but the change might not be permanent. It's the Vaseline longer.